In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Canva. If you want to create professional looking graphics, presentations, or social media posts without dealing with complicated design software, Canva is a great place to begin. It's beginner friendly, runs in your browser, and makes it much easier to build polished visuals even if you have no design experience at all. In this guide, I'll walk you through the basic setup, show you how to move around the interface, and help you create and export your first design with confidence. To get started, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Once the homepage loads, click the sign up button in the top right corner. Canva gives you a few different ways to create your account, so choose the method that works best for you. After that, you'll be taken into your main dashboard, which is where all of your projects and design tools are organized. When you arrive on the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The main thing to focus on first is the large search bar in the center that says, "What will you design today?" This is one of the fastest ways to start a project. If you want to make a slideshow type presentation, if you want to create a social media graphic, choose Instagram post. Canva will automatically set the correct size and layout for that type of design, which saves time and helps your project look right from the start. Once your project opens, look over to the left side of the screen. This sidebar is where you'll find tools for building your design. Click on Elements to explore graphics, shapes, photos, and layout options. When you see something you like, you can either click it to add it to your canvas or drag and drop it exactly where you want it. This is one of Canva's biggest strengths because it makes designing feel simple and hands-on. After you place an element, image, or text box onto the page, click it once to select it. You'll see a border appear around it with handles on the corners. Drag a corner handle to resize it smoothly. If you're working with text, look at the toolbar across the top of the screen. From there, you can change the font, adjust the size, align the text, and fine-tune the spacing so everything looks clean and readable. Before you export your design, move your elements around slightly and watch for the alignment guides that appear. These help you center items and keep everything lined up neatly. When you're happy with the final result, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if the design is for digital use, or choose PDF print if you plan to print it. Then click Download to save your finished file to your computer. That's all it takes to get started with Canva.